Sa loob ng 45 taon, hindi man naging perpekto. Gayon pa man nagpapasalamat ako, kundi dahil sa mga nangyari sa buhay ko. Walang Mike Chili na kayang haraping anumang pagsubok ng buhay.
Happy birthday, Mike's Chili!
Happy birthday, Mix Chili!
Happy birthday, Mix Chili! Happy birthday, Mike Chili!
Baby girl, just move if you wanna, shake if you wanna. Sige mong kakita-kita, sobrang tinaman.
Hey guys! 46 years old! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mike's Chili! Have a blessed one! Happy birthday, Mike's Chili!
And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got a chance to stay. Susungkitin mga tuwid para lang makahiling na sana'y maging aking space ground in your tree. If it's goodbye, let's go further.
Happy birthday, Tito Mike's Chili!
Happy birthday, Mike's Chili! Love you, Mikoy!
Happy birthday, Mike's Chili!
Happy birthday, Papa Mike. We miss you. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa Mike. I hope you have the best day. More birthdays to come po.
Hey, Papa Mike's Chili. I wish you all the best and we love you.
And I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby. See the butterflies, colors. Listen to the birds that was sing to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be nothing.
Happy birthday, Mike's Chili!
There's a rain always after the rain.